Hi guys! Welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create transparent effect in Adobe Photoshop. So, I have using this image as a background. Go to Filter menu, then click on Blur. Then Gaussian Blur. This amount is good for this image. Click OK. Go to File menu. Choose Place Embedded. Select your image. Click on Place. Now remove the background of the image with Quick Selection tool. Then click on Layer via Copy. Delete the old layer. Make a copy of layer. Now select the image layer, go to Image menu, go to Adjustments, then select Desaturate. Then change Layer Visibility to Screen. Now select Layer and press Ctrl+L to open levels. Adjust the levels. Now mask the layer. Now select Brush tool, then follow my steps. Now hold Alt and drag the mask to another layer. Select Mask and press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Now again go to File menu, then select Place Embedded. Now select the image and click on Place. Now remove the background of layer with Quick Selection tools. Now simply adjust the layer as I do. So here we go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing tutorials. Thanks.